Hello everyone, how to do it. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use AI video generator verb application. So first of all, you need to install, then tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account you can create your account with Google. Then you can see here the interface like this. So there are many feature here like talking photo, video avatar, video translator, voice cloning, text to speech, and AI script. So just tap on the talking photos, then you can see here these photos are speaking or talking. And if you upload your own photo, then tap on the, you have to agree with that and upload. And on the share videos at accessory stories. So okay, you can give allow. Then I'm just going to choose some this picture, face detecting. They are waiting uploading this picture. So now you can see standard and 5 minutes. So this is premium pro. I'm just tap standard and select. So here you can see replacing photo. So now generate video, but you have to give the text here, like which you can type, hi, I'm Martin. So you can type here, or you can get help from the AI script. Hi. If you tap AI script, then you can see here extend creating a script. You can just give here the hints like which type of videos you're going to create here there. So you can see here apply script. So you can edit, you can translate with any language. That you can see here are many languages here you can choose, and you can pause also. Once you're done, then you can also choose a voiceover, like which voiceover you like it. So you can choose anyone. I'm just English, this one.
Waves crashed against the lighthouse, where old
And
Captain...
then tap done. So now if you click the generating video, you can also record, and you have to choose which language you're going to speak. Tap on the generating button, so it takes few time. So this free plan you can export 30 seconds, but it's cross 101, so that's why it's not allow. So you have to, I'm just going to remove some. So it takes a long time. You can get the video 30 seconds, and then you will get the result. You can see here the time count, this one, if it's 30 seconds. So this way you can, your photo is talking, and another you can also uploading. You can choose the avatar here, and then you can voice cloning. You can do voice cloning. So you can text to speech, you can do AI script, you can take a script, you can give the hints. Video avatar, you can try it. So it's really nice application, but if you buy the subscription, then you will use this unlimited. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.